Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS. This matters because not every device supports call-level audio routing. Once done, install a reputable voice changer app or enable Vivo's built-in voice effects in settings. Make sure to grant microphone, phone, and draw over permissions so the app can intercept audio during calls. Now open the app and choose a target voice preset. You'll switch it live in the next step, so pick one you can test quickly. You now configure audio routing inside the app. Set the app to capture the microphone and output into the call stream. Then tweak pitch and timbre sliders. Small changes go far, while reducing background effects to avoid muffling. If available, enable call integration or accessibility audio capture. These settings let the app inject processed audio into regular calls. Once configured, place a quick test call to a second phone or use an internal test feature, because hearing it live confirms the setup. You finish by running a live check during a real call. Toggle the chosen preset and briefly mute, then unmute to ensure the processed voice transmits. If the voice sounds distant or quiet, make sure to increase microphone gain in the app, try a wired headset for cleaner capture, and temporarily disable aggressive noise reduction in settings. If nothing changes, restart the app or phone and reauthorize phone/microphone permissions. This often resolves permission or routing conflicts. Do that before changing apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.